Alright guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to fix a clutch pedal the old-fashioned way. So up under here, the clutch pedal has a bushing that sometimes likes to go bad, and they don't sell bushings anymore, and even if they do, the clutch rod in the back is not in the best shape either. So I'm going to use some of this silver HVAC tape, and we're gonna fix it. So up under here, the clutch pedal has a bushing in it. It's up in there. You push this back. This is about where it's supposed to be sitting at, somewhere in here. You see the white thing? That's a clip. You'll pull it out. You'll pull it straight towards you, and the rod on the back side. Let's see if we can get the camera on that. Yeah, there's the rod. The rod obviously does not fit in there anymore, and my old HVAC tape has worn off of it. So we just need to put some new tape in there for now. I am going to use this. Some standard silver HVAC tape. It's made out of some metal. It's a little bit more durable than duct tape. Yeah, I folded over a few times to make it about the thickness of a stick of gum, and about the same length and width as well. You do that, and I'll show you what we do afterwards. So you will have to play around with the thickness some. I'm starting with that. You can always add to it. It's easier to add to it than take it away. Alright, so the next step, now that you've got everything in position, which is kind of a pain in the butt, you want to push that clutch down all the way in. Just hold it there for a second, let everything kind of form. Like roll your foot around on it.
Okay, so using the sticky form of the adhesive on the ball from the push rod there. The insertion method was pretty straightforward. I just pushed it in there, held it in real tight, and shoved the clip up on top of it here into place. Once it's in there, you can also pack some stuff. Let's see if we can get a focus there. Yeah, pack some stuff. I've got I don't know, some rubbery tape like stuff up in there to keep the clutch pedal from coming forward as far. It actually just helps it hold in the slot. Now the only problem with that is if you put too much on there, you won't disengage or fully engage the clutch one way or the other. So you gotta like guess it and get it just right. But yeah, that's how you redneck fix one of these if you don't feel like pulling the pedals out.
Alright, let's see if this works this time. Would you looky there. So sometimes if you put too much or too little on there, it won't engage the switch or it won't push it in far enough. Sometimes if you put too much on there, it won't allow it to fully release without hitting something, and you know, it locks it in gear basically and keeps it in gear. If you find that sweet spot though, like I said, about the thickness of a stick of gum, about just as long and as wide, with that tape, it should work pretty well. Let's see. Now the clutch is a little squishy. So. Alright, safety first. Instead of replacing your whole clutch pedal, I've done this for years. It's inconvenient. About every 6 months to a year you have to do it again, but it's okay. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to hit the thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.